you and you know that. Don't want no other woman. I know I'm in the moment. Now you I want to romance. The second wanna slow dance. Kiss your lips while we hold hands. I watch you as you slow down, lay down, lay down. See baby girl, I know it's you. You know you want my body right next to you. No one else can hold you, touch your body like I do. Skin so soft, caress it as I kiss all over you. Baby, if you like, baby, you can spend the night on. Turn around now, go down now. My baby, slow down now, slow down. Turn around now, go down now. Baby, hold on now. Undress you as you like it though. Now we face to face. I unlock your soul and I pull you by your waist. Come close to me. Don't be shy to me. Take control of me. So hold on. We go for a ride. Hold on, my dear. It's been so long since I have feelings. I'm feeling for you. See, baby, girl, I know it's you. You know you want my body right next to you. No one else can hold you, touch your body like I do. Skin so soft, caress it as I kiss all over you. Baby, if you like, baby, you can spend the night on. Turn around now, go down now. My baby, slow down now, slow down. Turn around now, go down now. Baby, hold on now. It's been here with your head on mine. Please tell me what's on your mind. We both know you got the feels tonight. That's enough talk, girl. You know that I want your body on. Turn around now, go down now. My baby, slow down now, slow down. Turn around now, go down now. Baby, hold on now, hold on. Turn around now, go down now. My baby, slow down now, slow down. Turn around now, go down now. Baby, hold on now. Fire, 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 fire.
Rock Legion. right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody's blessed and highly favored. Hope everybody had an amazing night and you're having a beautiful morning. And of course, let me say thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
I really do appreciate it. Seriously, I do. So let's get into it. Yesterday we had an amazing 10-15 trade, I believe it was. We had a runner all the way through till about 11. Hit all of our targets. We slapped 145 points yesterday. So congratulations to anybody that caught that yesterday. All right, if anybody commented, I messed up. I just fixed the comments. But all right, let's get into it. Let's have another good day. Had a very slow week. We took one loss on Monday, and then yesterday just slapped, man. Made up for everything. But all right, let's get into it. Forex Factory, FOMC, same like yesterday. Member Bullard speaks. FOMC member Mester speaks. Not too sure what either of those people are. Well, we talked about Bullard yesterday, but Mester, I don't know who that is. And that's not till 1, so it shouldn't affect us. But yeah, we'll keep that in mind. 9:30, this is going to slap. So in the next 5 minutes, let's see how it affects the market. Let's get into the charts. This is going to be our resistance right here. Let's get into the weekly. Got, as we talked about before, 2 more days, including today and tomorrow, of the month and of the week altogether. So we got to look out for that. I think today we're going to go bullish. Let's look at the monthly one more time. I want to show you. See this low right here, the support from June and July. I think that's where we're going to close for the month. So the next 2 days, I think that's where we're going to find ourselves closing. So let's look at the daily. The weekly, of course, was on that 200 SMA. And it should be bouncing off of it. So far, the day is bearish, right? But what it could also be is just a bottom wick, and we're going to continue pushing up because we are still at this support, right? So that's my bias. I'm looking for more buys. Although the day is bearish, I am looking for buys. But again, that's just my bias for now. It could change, right? So we'll see what happens when volume trickles in. And that FOMC member Bullard is going to speak, so that could affect whether we go up or go down. So we're just going to be patient and wait. This is the hourly. Hourly's a bit bullish. Since last night, we were dropping, so we'll have to see what happens. Guys, give me 1 second, though. right, sorry about that. All right. So market is officially open. Today's gonna be one of those iffy days. We got this good run here yesterday, right? Seems this here is a support in itself. Yeah. I have no real true bias right now. That's why we wait till 10 o'clock. We wait for the market to absorb NYSE and, kind of decide to see where it's going first. And 10 o'clock we'll execute. And for now, we're chilling. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a bit low. Like, next to my bed. I feel like I kind of got a sore throat, unfortunately. Gonna get a new 15-minute in about 10 minutes, guys. 9:45, we'll see. Hopefully a real direction. And then 10 o'clock, just like yesterday. 10 o'clock, we missed the trade at first. Well, we didn't miss a trade. 10 o'clock, we didn't get a bottom wick. We just drove up. And what happened? Towards the end of the first 15-minute candle, it started to create that bottom wick. And we also respected support when that 15-minute closed. So the next 15-minute, 10:15, got in, and it drove us all the way up past the 200 SMA, past the daily flip. We had a bottom wick for the 4 hour. Just go look. Let me just show you guys the candle it was. You get an idea. If you weren't here, we literally caught this entire candle. All of this. This 4 hour closed above this resistance here. First 15 minutes, we pushed up, but then we came back down to create a bottom wick. 10:15, we had another bottom wick, and it drove us all the way up. It was an amazing day. So, by the looks of it, you might just be going bearish for the day. Maybe I'm wrong about my bias. I'm just thinking right now, guys. I'm sorry if I'm being a little too quiet, but thinking. I am thinking. All right, let's set some targets. I started off talking about I was bullish because I figured we were creating a bottom wick or we're going to push up. Honestly, that could still happen. Could happen at 10, could happen at 11, I just don't foresee it happening, I guess, right now. Volume seems to be pushing us down. And if we break these lows, then we're most likely just going to keep falling to at least fill this much range, right? It's 100 points from where we are now. Let's see. I think this could be a good target, first target. What did he do? Okay. Learning new ways to use trading view. If you press control, if you hold control down and you move, drag one of the indicators, it'll duplicate it. That's good to know. Target one's gonna get slapped. Let's just delete this. Or you know what? Delete target 2 because we're always continuing to adjust. Always adjusting. Got about 5 more minutes. We can get a new candle. Let's keep it here to be a bit safer. Yes. Now, here to the first target is about 32 points. Hopefully get a runner for at least 20 points, right? Second target is about 60. And for the last target, it's about 106. But of course, we would need a pullback, right? We do want a pullback. The pullback will look similar to how this candle already looks. Its current 4 hour. A little bit of a top wick and then a push down. But we want it to pull back so that we can get a bit of a bottom wick here, guys, right? Let's see what happens. Give me 1 second, man. I'll be right back. Let's take a look at this real quick. So far, our record is 4-12. That leaves us at 66% win rate. 66% win rate, guys, for the month. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Looks like we're tearing through that our targets here, man. Since we're dropping so fast, and we're like coming to all these supports, right? We're coming to support. Got support here to the left. That's why I make these targets, right? So we know our areas of support that we're gonna hit. When we get to these areas of support, it's very likely that we can reverse, because every time we kind of hit these supports, we reverse. So what could be happening is, we've talked about this before, could be true. Talked about inverse head and shoulders. This could be what's happening. For it to be invalid, we would have to break these lows in the middle. So, because we already hit both of our targets. Let's see, you just got a new 15-minute candle. Let's take a look at it. Now it wants to do that reversal. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Again, it's no rush. Just continue with discipline. We wait. We have 30 minutes of analyzing, watching, studying, and then 10 o'clock, we execute. We will execute. Now, if for some reason we can manage to pull back to about 11,250, 11,260, everything's still valid. I'll still be looking for sells, and everything should be fine. Because then that means we'll have a bottom wick on the 4 hour. We'll just have to fill it. Let's get a top wick. But if we manage to close down here somewhere near this overall target, at target 2, around this area, there's a high probability that we're just going to bounce back up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. And every time we just came up, right? So you have to respect the patterns that you see. Now, if we manage to get a closure below, if we can get a closure below down here somewhere, I'd probably still wait. Probably till about 10:15ish. I'd want to see how this 4-hour candle is going to open. Because if we push down and manage to break the lows, sells are going to be valid all day. Just there's too much room to the left. We're just going to melt, right? But yeah, we would have to break the low. And I really don't know what's going to happen. There's no real direction just yet. It being the last 2 days of the month and the week could have an effect, on everything that's happening. So, I don't know. We're going to be patient. Wait, we got about 9 more minutes. Give me 1 more second. This whole time I was just talking to myself. Sorry about that, man. I hate when I do that shit, man. What the? Anywho. In about 4 more minutes, gonna get a new 4-hour candle. Currently, I still don't have a bias. I do think overall targets could get hit, but see what happens. This is a support area here. If you notice to the left, right? Got support, support, support. So let's see how we close. And yeah, we'll figure out what we're gonna do at 10 o'clock. It's 3 more minutes. Let's look real quick. Got about 2 more minutes. Let's go through the other charts real quick. Gold has been coming up. Well, yesterday it came up. Now it's kind of dropped a little. Now it's at that 200-hour SMA. Wow. Again, look how beautiful, man. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Bitcoin. I'm just in love with Bitcoin. Bitcoin analysis has just been on point. On point. Wow. You guys do see this, right? Understand what I'm looking at. We are respecting the wedge. That's why you draw these things out, man. That's why you draw them out. And as things play out, you gain more confidence in yourself with your market execution. Simple rising flag, simple wedge that we're trying to break out of. You see, we broke out of it twice, right? Strong push. We were able to go from 19,200 to 20,300. Then we tried one more time. From 18,900, we got to 19,700. Now we're back in the wedge, right? So these 2 attempts, technically 3 attempts. You can see this attempt here was an attempt to get up out of this funk. But yeah, any day now, guys, look for BTC puts, okay? Look for BTC puts. We're going to at least 14,000, 13,000. All right? Just look out for that. All right, let's get back to the charts. We got less than a minute. Let's see how we close. Closing right at this support. So no trade. I don't have a sense of direction, guys. I don't know if we're bullish, bearish. I really don't know. You know. Yeah, honestly, I think we're going to bounce up. I truly think we're going to bounce up. I truly, truly, truly believe that. Us closing right at support, that's important, man. So this is a lot of range. If we do manage to go bullish, we'll be waiting for 10:15. But if we do manage to go bullish, this is good. This is a lot of range to fill. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. This is a kind of a terrible area. All this support here. It's going to be hard for us to really find a good entry. Because honestly, I would want us to pass this support. And let's look for sales if that's what's going to happen. But we have to break through this support down here. Let's suggest this. But I mean, as per usual, market analysis at 9:30. Although I'm not taking entries, you guys can take entries. It's no, you don't got to do everything I do. Yeah, you could have got in. Like, I called this all out. We talked about this as soon as 9:30 happened. This is 134 points. I set the targets. You know, pretty simple trade. If you set a decent stop loss, you'd have been fine. Look at that. Pretty much overall target slapped. But again, even now, this is more support. It's more support, man. So let's see. Will we respect or will we push? It's a very big support area. I don't know. Yeah, overall target slap. Good shit. As usual, perfect market analysis, man. Overall target slapped. Let's just get rid of all this stuff. Let's clean this. This is good, though. I mean, let's just break the lows. I mean, you're getting close, right? Break the lows. Next 15. We'll just follow you straight down. Let's back up because this is. This is interesting. This would truly be our next target, guys, at this rate. It's a lot of range. Today might be a no trade day from the looks of it. Might be a no trade day. Got about 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes, we'll start looking, hopefully looking for an entry. See, this is support, man. We're like hanging out at it. You have to break. You have to break and close if anything is truly going to happen. It seems like we're getting the volume, so Let's see. Seven more minutes. 7 more minutes. So far, we're not really breaking the low, right? Chilling at support. Still got 7 minutes, though, but this could very well maybe be a 30-minute trade. Why do I say that? Because this 15-minute might not have enough juice to get down here, right? But maybe the next 15-minute can assist, push us below, and then we can catch a 30-minute trade, get a quick little top wick, and then follow the rest of the market down. Let's check this again, man. This is more than 100 points, 140 roughly. So we should be able to get something. Just keep going, prove me wrong. Break the low so we could get in at 10:15. It's 5 more minutes, guys. Let's check the 5-minute chart. You think we can break below? It's not far. It's really not far at all. About 53 points. I just had a good idea, man. Had a great idea. All right, we just waiting. We are just waiting. Got 2 more minutes. Gonna get a new 15-minute. If we could break the low, we'll look for some sales. Again, if not, we're gonna wait till 10:30. Looks like it wants to break, but again, this is a major support. So we're not gonna force it. We're not gonna force it. We took 145 points yesterday, man. Let's be excited for that. We had an amazing week. Took a loss of maybe 20 points on Monday. You know, shit happens. But it's all good. So technically, we had a 120-point week off of 2 trades. And yet still, it's only Thursday. Got less than a minute left. If we don't break the low, there's no trade. Because we're just chilling at support. You can't ignore support. So it's probably going to be a 30-minute trade. 30-minute trade, fellas. My boy Sid, why's good? Why's good? I'm glad you and Chris was in the gym getting that money, man. Now we getting the chart money. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, anybody on stream, please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Show some love. Don't be a hater. All right, we got a new 15-minute candle. I am not looking for a trade. We did not close below, but the trade is still valid. All we have to do is break the low, right? So if we make a lower low, if we can make a lower low and then pull back, that's what I would love to see. A lower low, a pullback, and then 30-minute, we'll get a top wick, and then we'll come down to fill the wick and get some continuations. So if you're wondering what we're looking for, that is what we're looking for. If that doesn't happen, this next 15, we can't close below, again, no trade. All right? So that's our last chance at an opportunity. Gonna wait for the 30-minute candle. All right? So I'm gonna repeat that one more time. As soon as we can break this low of 11,085 or 82, whatever it is, right? That'll give us confirmation that we're gonna continue down. But we want to break the low first. We're getting very close, very, very close. Because if we don't break the low, we could just come back and correct the move that was made. So we want to see closures below, closures below. Got about 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Again. Let me repeat this for the people in the back. This trade that we're looking for is a 30-minute trade. Alright? We are looking at the 15 because I want to see if this 15 can break the lows. As you see, we need a closure below. Or honestly, not even a closure. Like I said, we need a wick below. We need a wick below. And we've got about 10 minutes to do so. So let's see. Yo, Sid, I don't know if you're still on. You make any money today? Any plays today? You seeing anything on charts today? Got about 9 more minutes. We'll be looking for some trades, hopefully. Let's take a look real quick. Let's look at gold and BTC. Gold just melted. Okay. I really, really like that. We're in the wedge. I really want to, you know what? Let's set an alarm. Let's set some alerts, right? I can set an alert. This will let me know whenever we do break out of the wedge. So let's set it at 18. Set it right here. Have an alert set. Could remind us if BTC starts breaking some lows. All right. EU and GU sell right now. Let's check it out. This is GJ. Here's EU. Let's check it out. That's a fact. That's a fact. Well, let's see. Let's do some analysis. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I think that's a good idea. Some good sales on EU. It's a fact. We got a double top. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's a double top. You look at the hour. We're on a 200 SMA. Close to it. Yeah. Here's the thing, though. This is what I do think. I will say this. Although I do think sales are valid, I don't think this is really going to start selling off until like power hour, like 2, 3 o'clock. But I could be wrong. You know? Could be wrong. But good luck, bro. I know you got it. GBP USD. I don't know. GU looks more like buys to me. at least for a couple more pips. Yeah, I don't know. I'm iffy about the GU, but EU makes sense to me. About 5 more minutes, guys. It's a fact. Guys, give me 1 second. Be right back. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Ooh, this weather is hitting me, man. Honest to God, I don't really think there's gonna be a trade at all. We're respecting that support. Told you guys I would need to see a break below before we look for some sells. I don't really think that's gonna happen. We still got about 2 more minutes left, but you know, I am not hopeful as we speak now. I am not hopeful. Less than a minute left, guys. Again, it's not looking too good, so I doubt we'll have a trade today. Like I said, it's all good. Yesterday we caught 145 points, so that should hold you off for the rest of the week, honestly. But here we go. It's a new 30. We did not close below. All right. So that's basically me calling it a day, guys. It is what it is. It's all good. Let me take like a Dayquil or something. I need to figure out my throat situation. But I hope everybody stays blessed. Hope you all have an amazing day. As I say before, go tell someone you love them. Go be productive. Go work out. And just be blessed. Alright? So everybody have a wonderful day. And we'll be back again today. Tomorrow's the last day of the month, as well as the last day of the week. So let's get ready. Alright? Have a good one, everybody. Peace.